This is an idea how to generate power in an ordinary sewing machine. Let us have a look of this project. You can see this is an ordinary sewing machine which normally we use in the domestic. This is an ordinary dynamo type of element where we are going to connect this dynamo type of element to an ordinary sewing machine in order to generate required electric power. Now is a cross section view of a sewing machine. There we can see a small point over there. It is defaultly available in all the sewing machine, where we are going to use this point to connect our dynamo unit such a way that whenever the sewing machine rotates, the dynamo start rotating equivalent to the speed of the sewing machine. Now this is the tag position, how we connect our dynamo with a sewing machine. This dynamo, what we are saying, it is capable of generating approximate of 4 wattage of 12 volt power when it rotates in the maximum RPM. Even if we want to increase the more power of this dynamo, instead of using the small dynamo, we can have a big motor type dynamo such a way that heavy power can be generated for the required RPM. Here we can see, once the sewing machine start rotating or start doing its job, the dynamo connected with the sewing machine evenly start rotating. Here we can see the pulleys. The rotation of the speed of the pulleys is directly proportional to the speed of the sewing machine which we are using. Yes, one thing we have to agree, since we had connected one extra load to the sewing machine, it will take some amount of excess of torque which the user has to bear. Now we need to have some electronic circuitry in order to utilize that power generated by the dynamo in the useful manner. The electronic circuit is nothing but a small inverter and the battery with some regulator circuits. Now this is the part what you are saying. We are integrating the electronic part with the dynamo output. It shows that when the sewing machine start working, the dynamo start producing the required DC voltage. This required DC voltage is applied to the battery in the electronic circuitry, which charges and discharges when you need it. In addition to the battery, we have one more circuit called inverter. The inverter converts the DC source from the battery into a AC useful form. In the demonstration kit, we used two loads. One is that a small tube light which glows is an AC power, and we have a mobile phone charger. That means whatever the voltage generated through the dynamo of the sewing machine, it will charges the battery. When the user wants, he can discharge and he can connect any AC loads. This project proves its own useful application in the field of power generation in rural areas. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you might have enjoyed this. Thank you.